Hi everyone, I hope you enjoy your day off today, Monday, January 20th. So the first thing I want to tell you is that I hope you have watched the week 2 overview. If you haven't, then you need to go back and watch that now because that sort of explains how to download the app, which I hope you have already done so you've gotten some good data. So here we are in modules, and the moment reflection is what we're working on. So remember, we've had that app running for at least 4 days. We've had data about how much we use our phones, what times we use our phone, our activities, and now we're going to take the opportunity to reflect on that. So remember, anytime it's a blue link, it's a file, and we open that up. And what we're going to see are short answer questions and then also some longer paragraph prompts. So here we want detailed and specific answers. More than just 2 words or numbers would be fantastic. And just kind of think about this as you're writing it. It really is for your benefit. It's not for mine. I'm not curious about the information that you provide. I just want you more to think about your life and how your phone fits into that. So you're going to go ahead and keep going through. You may do some estimates for how much time you spent this week, but we really do want to fill 1 through 5 out with the data that the app provides. And then you're going to address these questions in a paragraph of about 300 words, and you want to make sure that you are using college level writing, including speller and grammar, etc., etc. So just like every assignment in this class, the more you put in, the more you get out. So once you are done with it and you have saved that file to submit the assignment, you click on Submit Assignment, and then you're going to choose the file. So an important note here is that you cannot use Pages files, you cannot use rich text. It really has to be a Word document or a PDF. And so I won't be able to open that. I will not be able to grade that. So you need to make sure that you're doing that. So I'll choose the file, and let's say that I have it here on my desktop, and here it is, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit the assignment. So that is it for this week. I look forward to seeing you in class. Oh, actually, another thing really quick. So once I've submitted it, I can actually see the details and the actual submission. So if you're having like, I'm curious, did I actually submit it or not? You want to make sure to check over here and it will show you that the submission was successful and what file you actually submitted. So I'm looking forward to seeing you Wednesday, and you can get a hold of me anytime through messages or my phone. We'll talk soon.